Hey guys, EG Scary here. Look, a tree fell on my house. Nope, just kidding. This is a tree I made last summer for my display and never used. I'm gonna actually publish the video from last summer very soon. In fact, right now we're in the midst of a pandemic and I am working on things for this year's Halloween display. So over here, this is my weed garden. These are all weeds that I am growing so that when it comes to put up my display, this is the finishing touch. These die nicely and they look perfect for my overgrown cemetery. Over here, I acquired more foam. Here are remnants of last year's display back here. More weed garden. There are some support back here. But anyway, the purpose of this video is I am corpsing another skeleton. And people have asked me how I do it or what I do. And so I just decided that this would be a really quick thing to let you know that there are a bunch of how-to videos coming out. I have one edited right now, which will be released shortly after this preview video. And so basically, the way I corpse my skeletons, I take very thin painter's plastic. You can even find it at the dollar store or at Home Depot. I'm fortunate enough that I have acquired it, major rolls of it. And so I take a heat gun and put it all on here, blow it with the heat, melts to the face. I kind of do stuff that look like ligature and tendons coming through, and then I've gone through and I've stained it. This is the first phase of stain. It's still wet. The other thing that I do differently than a lot of other people is I put in these eyes, and depending on the look, like this one, I'm trying something different. I actually melted some of the plastic on the eyes so it looks like the eyes are breaking down, and I'm gonna maybe touch it up with a tiny bit of white. So right now this just needs to dry. So, great question that you asked. What do I use to stain? So I use wood stain, whatever I find on clearance. So, gel stain is preferred. It dries quicker. This one's really dark. It's called Kona, and you can see the orange tag on there. I got it on sale. It's like a $10 jar. It says $2.49 or $2.99, but I actually paid, I think, 99 cents because that's what the sticker said on the window of the cabinet. But I put the spring oak. This one is just regular wood stain. It's not a gel stain. And the thing with using a regular oil-based stain on the plastic, it takes longer to dry. But either way, it was cheap, and that's what I did. So please subscribe to the channel and you'll get updates when these videos start to drop. The tombstone building videos are going to be what come up first. Then I'll do the tutorial on making your own tree. I'll give you a hint. The skeleton of the tree is actually this type of material. And so this year I'm going to be, if there's time, making an even bigger tree, and I'll show you all that. And at the rate I'm going, it'll be next summer that I'll have the videos released, but hopefully it'll be quicker this time. All right, EG Scary out.